So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to tweak the project that we are working on. And here what we will do is we will add some more of the sprite, and we will create a background for our game, because for now we have this gray thing. I don't like this green thing, so we will change that. So let's go for the a sprite, and I will basically add some let's add some more things to our character, right? So it will look much better. So what I am thinking right now is let's add some hands to our character. So the hand should come like this. So it looks like that he's basically lay on the ground and sliding. So that's what I want to create. So for that, let's use this red color. Let's add some hands to it. Okay, I think I did it good, and it looks good, but I would like to add some kind of outline to it. Okay, let's do it something like this, and let's save it. So if I go on here, you can see we get something like this, and I would like to add some more stuff, which is let's add more like this. Let's try this and let's see what we get. Save it, and if we go here, you can see we've got something like this. Let me remove this, and we get something like this. I think this will look much better. Control S to save. Control S to save. Okay. Okay, I think this looks good. So if I run it, you can see, yeah, now it looks good. It looks like he is using his hands, right? And I don't like the outline, so I think for the hand we should use this color. Let's do it with this color, I guess. I will not use outline. It will not be good because the trails don't have outline, so we should just go with no outline here. And let's add some thing like this, I guess. Okay, let's add this. Let's save it. Okay. So now it looks good. Now we can see. Now it looks good. Yeah. Okay, now I like it. Okay. So now we need some basic food for our character. So which he will capture, maybe food or something, a kind of collectible. So we can create that as well, but first I would like to create a background for our game. So let's add a background, which is, so how you can do that, you can just go on here and set the canvas layer node, not canvas group, canvas layer node, and let's add a color rect to it. We need to click on here, click on this, and we can now make sure you click on canvas layer. Let's go on the layer option and let's set it to -100. And this is white, so I don't like white. I want some good color, so let's try to change some. Let's get a good color for our game. So I like a dark bluish, maybe that will look good. You can also create your own background, so that will work better, but I like this, so yeah. So now if I run it, you can see that the background of the game is changed. It looks much better right now. You can see we can move around. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So now what we can do is I want to add let's create some challenge to our game. Let's add a score system and a collectible. So for that, let's go here and let's create another node and let's add area 2D to it, and here we will call it as collectible, and we will add something called as sprite 2D, and let's add a collision shape to it. So collision shape, and let's add a collision shape to be circle. Oh, oops, I don't know what happened. Okay, yeah, circle. And so let's create something that this guy will eat. So let's create a new file, and so we can add some onion, I guess. So let's add it as something like this, and we can just color it, and we can just add some more color to it. um, and I will add some more colors, and yeah, something like this. Now it looks good, I guess. And now let's remove this, and I don't like this, I like this, and we also don't like this, we like this. And let's save it. So we can just go on and we can save it as food, and let's save it. So we have saved it, and now if you go here, it should be here by now. Okay, so you need to save it the file as png. So let's go and save the file as png, and we will get the file here. So now let's add the food here, and you can see we already added. Okay, the anchor is not properly set up because this should be in the center. Let's save it. Now it's properly set up. Let's increase the size of the food, and we will save the scene. So let's save this scene to, okay, so you can save it anywhere, but I like to create different folders for different things. So let's save it in the scene folder, and now we can see we have a collectible here, right? So let's add some collectible to our test scene. So we will add some collectible, so you can just drag and drop him it. And there are one more thing that I have to do, which is we will go on collectible, and we will go on collectible again. We will attach a script, and let's Okay, let's create a new folder for the scripts as well. So let's go on the scripts, and I guess we are in the script folder. So let's add collectible.gd, and let's remove this. We don't need this. And so we are going to use signals here. So let's go on the collectible. Let's go on the node, and I'm going to use the body entered signal. Let's collect it. So every time on body entered. So if let's pass for now, and what I need to do is let's go on the player node, and let's create another function which is called as score. So let's set the score to 0 for now, and I need to create a function which is called function add score. And what we will do is we will increment the score by let's say we can increment the score by 1. And let's go on the collectible. So we will check if player in body dot name, then body dot add score. So basically it will check if player is in the body dot name. So basically if the body of the entered body name is player, it will run the body function which is add score, and which I have defined it on the player script. And we will just let's print the, okay, we can also print the score. So let's print score for now. So let's print it as score, and let's try to run the scene. And okay, let's okay. Okay, there is a problem here, and I think if I go, okay, yeah, so the score is running, but I want the collectible to um, queue free. So let's go and set it as queue free. So if I run it, you can see if I go, it will, okay, yeah, you can see we can eat them, and you can see the score here 1 2 3 4 5, right? So that's it for today. In the next video we will see the sound effects and some user interface for our project.